Dog barking. Say the dog barking. Should be no reason you're not outside. How are you?
Not bad, but yeah, no.
Yeah, that tire's done.
Oh, that tires was done. I don't understand why they didn't fix it when I had it at the shop. Just put it on. You didn't have to come on out. But that's
Yeah.
besides the point.
Where's your spare tire?
Back here.
Okay.
It should be unlocked.
Okay.
Back up.
Was it locked?
I don't think it is. It hasn't been locked in.
It's not opening.
It's not. Oh, you're right. This would work that way, huh? That's a good question. Let me go find that out.
I'm thinking it's in between the seats.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
Is it open?
See, it's open this door here.
Yeah, go ahead.
This van must sit an awful lot.
You think? And she wants this bitch clean, working. We don't want it to work. We just want it to go up. Someone that is trading.
Yep, it's here in between the driver and passenger seat. So what? You over there with him? Okay. Let her know you're gonna need to see her ID. Make sure the name match the card. Take a picture of her ID. Let her know you gotta take a picture of it. How can I assist? Okay. Let me get the screen open. The driver get a picture of your ID to match the card. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm ready for the card number whenever you are. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Expiration date. That's a Visa. The CSC. And the expiration date. I'm sorry, the zip code. Total is gonna be 64.94. You gonna no tip. Confirm the total. It's processing. Okay. What's your phone number? Did you receive that receipt by text message? All right. You are all set. He's gonna get you taken care of. Thanks a lot. You have a great day. Bye. All right. She's all set. And she wants you to fix it. Actually, she wants you to plug it. It's the same price. Tell me you ain't gonna charge her nothing. Hell yeah. Just put the spare on for her. That sound like she got much of a choice. Isn't that a lot to go through? Oh man. Yeah, they make the Caravans. Wow. Hold on 1 second. Oh boy.
Question for you.
What's that?
I noticed that the other side tire is starting to go low. I don't know if it's got a hole in it too or not. But doing these with the jack in a spot that if it comes down, it won't hit the ground. I don't know how long it's going to be for me to move this thing again. If it is on the dealership, they're going to pick it up and give me a trade-in.
Now what did you say you wanted to do with it?
Leave that jack up underneath that side. Not necessarily like holding it, but in case it comes down, it won't hit the ground. You know what I'm saying?
No, it shouldn't hit the ground or anything like that.
No, I mean, I'm talking the other tire, not that one.
No, I'm saying it should be fine. You know, if the worst comes to worst, it's not going to like wreck or damage anything. That may be actually more harm than good because that thing doesn't look like it's ever been used, and you guys may end up having a hard time even trying to do something like that.
Okay. I'll positive it. There's no hole.
Well, you know, it's time, and I guess this thing sits a lot, so time sitting and cold, yeah, that normally brings them down. Doesn't necessarily, not a hole, just time. But this one's definitely dry rotted out and seen better days for sure.
Thank God it's got warranty.
Yeah. Nah, it don't matter. You ain't gotta worry about it. All right, so now we got the spare on. You said they're picking it up for a trade-in?
I want to.
Oh yeah. Well,
I just don't know where to go.
well, whenever you do get a chance to trade it in, if they're one of those places like push it in, tow it in, drag it in, then this would be perfect. You know, they can just come pick it up with a tow truck, and that'll be that. But other than that, you are all set. It's not like any paperwork or anything. I just got to grab all my junk and get out of here.
Thank you.
I appreciate you so much.
Absolutely. God bless.
Uh-oh. Got it. All right, you have a great day now. Yeah, plate number and all that in tow book, right? No, that's cool. Yeah, you can put it in tow book. You still there? Okay, cool, yeah. Put it in tow book, yeah. No, not just the plate number and the VIN number and tow book. I want the picture and the actual numbers. Yep. Not yet. I'll tell you what to do. I will advise you.